Hello, my lovely Loc minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for Locs. And those of you that are new to my channel, thank you for coming. And those of you that are not, thank you for coming back. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to combine locks. Now, in my journey, I have had some locks that are either thin or too thick or whatever the case it is, and I needed to combine them. And I have a couple of locks that I want to combine, and I want to bring you on into my journey and do it. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, duh, and come back to my channel. Locs4u2luv. So, lock combining. Now, this method is used in different ways and for different reasons. And one of the main reasons that you combine your locks is to produce a thicker and firmer foundation for your lock. And there might be weak spots in your lock, or you see that one of your locks are thinner than the other, and it just makes more sense to combine. And so you have multiple reasons over time why you want to combine those locks, or trimming is usually my last option to do. So what I try to do is combine. I have done research over some time on methods that you can use to combine locks. And the way that I combine my locks is using a crochet hook. Now, when I heard of crochet hook, I thought of like the crochet needle that you use to make blankets. And it's very similar to that. It is that, if you want to be real, but we just use this for our hair. Now, there's 3 options, and here are my 3. And depending on how thick your lock is, that will determine which prong you would use for your hair. As you can see for this one's been through a lot. It's been through a lot. No, it's not supposed to have no crooked neck. But anyways, it still works. And so for this video, I will be using the 2 prongs, and I'm going to use it for the thickness of my lock. I'm going to show you what locks that I've combined, and this lock right here has already been combined, if you can see. Nikki, closer. And so what I want to do is I want to continue combining them over time. So I'm going to bring you along with me so I can do that, and I hope you enjoy. I hope you get some helpful tips from it. And if you have any questions or concerns or any advice to give me to do better or to stay away from, let me know in the comment section below. Now come join me. Duh. So I wanted to bring you into the bathroom. So we're still talking about these crochet needles, and I wanted to give you a closer look. I ordered these on Amazon a long time ago. These are old, and they work well. You have the 1 prong, the 2 prong, and the 3 prong. Depending on the level of thickness will determine which one you're going to use. For this video, we're going to use the 2 prong. Again, this lock right here is the product of joining these 2 locks together. But I didn't finish, so I want to bring you along on me finishing this task. And as you can see, like, this lock is thinner than this one, and there's more support when I combine the base. And this is how thick the lock base is, and this is what I want. And right where this area where it's kind of thin, like a weaker area, that's where this lock ends. And I feel like this would be great support for this beautiful lock to flourish and grow into a masterpiece. So we're gonna get into joining them together. So keep watching. As you can see, I'm separating the two pieces that are joined together, and I'm going to 2-strand twist them all the way down until I get to the end. I'm not doing a loose 2-strand twist. I'm doing it pretty tight. There we go, at the end. This is where I stopped. I stopped at the weakest part, the part that I wanted to combine. Now I'm taking the 2-prong crochet hook, and I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up. As I get closer to the camera, I am basically putting the prong all the way through the lock to combine both of those locks together with the hair that is entangled from opposite ends. And I continue this process all the way up and all the way down until I feel like it's connected. So as I'm doing this, I'm being very mindful of my hand placement, because those prongs do hurt if you're not mindful of where you're putting the needle or the hook. We're using the 1-prong crochet hook to finish the ending of the lock. As you can see, I still have a little bit left, and I'm about to use this needle and put it together. As you can see, 2 became 1. Now I have a solid lock. Now I'm going to palm roll the new lock together so it can be more at home, so it can come together and be one unit, and that is the goal. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to combine your locks. If you're interested in more videos, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and come back to my channel. Duh! The progress of how much I finished and how much I have left, continue watching so you can see what I do to connect them. I decided to use my 1-prong crochet hook for the end of this lock because it's a weaker area, as you can see. And I'm going to bring you through the process of me connecting those two pieces. As you can see, 2 became 1. Look at how thick that lock looks, and now it's only just 1. What I do to help my lock, I kind of palm roll it just to make sure any loose hairs come together and get them in a routine of combining so it can become one lock. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Peace.